Hello guys, you are with Vikas sir in the wonderful session of English. So we'll start today with the noun case. Noun का केस हमें पढ़ना है, noun पे केस नहीं करना है. Okay, we'll study noun case. So there are 5 types of case. First one is called nominative, or you can say subjective case. The second one is called accusative or objective case. The third one is called dative or objective case. There are 2 types of object, that's why there are 2 types of cases also, accusative and dative. Don't confuse with all these things. And the fourth one is vocative case. And the last one is genitive or possessive case. So these are the 5 types of case. So guys, one thing I would like to tell you, that not a single question can be framed from all these 4 types, because a question cannot be framed. It is not possible to make a question on the basis of nominative case, accusative case, dative case and vocative case. But this genitive case is very, very important for your examination. So today we'll see genitive case, or you can say possessive case. So what is all about genitive and possessive case? We'll start with this one. Possessive case. First of all, we see what exactly it means, possessive case. And one thing you have to keep on your mind, that we are studying possessive case in noun, not in pronoun. So it is basically used, to show possession. Possession. What do you mean by possession? Possession means we can say adhikar. And whenever you try to show possession to a noun, it gives you the sense of ka, ke, ki in its Hindi meaning. Means what I want to tell you, that whenever we use a possessive case, it is used to show what? Possession. And for showing possession, it gives you the sense of ka, ke and ki. So we have a lot of ways for making a possession, various ways of making possession. First of all, we have use of pattern. The second one is use of apostrophe s. See, this is called apostrophe and this is called s. Apostrophe s. And the third one is use of s apostrophe. Whenever we use all these 3 ways to show possession, all these 3 give you the sense of ka, ke, ki in Hindi meaning. So firstly, we know the use of pattern. It is very easy. See, use of pattern. What exactly it is? So it is used with both living and non-living things. Whenever we use of pattern, we don't have any restriction to use of pattern. It can be used with both living thing and non-living thing also. For example, the wall of this building. See, we are showing the position of this building and we have used of with building. It gives you the sense of is building ki diwar. It gives you the sense of what? Ki. So we can say this has been used to show the position of this building. And we know very well building is a non-living thing. Now another example. The father of Sonu. Again it gives the sense of Sonu ke pita. It gives you the sense of ka ke ki. And now in this sentence, in this example, we have used of pattern with this living thing. So we don't have any restriction to use of pattern. Now we go for use of apostrophe s and s apostrophe. We can say s apostrophe. This is s and this is apostrophe. Firstly, we see the difference between apostrophe s and s apostrophe. Difference between apostrophe s and s apostrophe. This is again one of the most important points. See, any noun, if a noun ends with s, we give apostrophe, s apostrophe, and if a noun doesn't end with s, we go for apostrophe. It will be clear with the example. Boy, it means ek ladka. Boy means singular. See, in this word, we don't have s in the end. See, if we have to show the position of this boy, it doesn't have s at the end, so we go for boys. It gives you the sense of ek ladke ka. But if I have to say बहुत सारे लड़कों का, तो firstly we have to write the word for बहुत सारे लड़के. Boys, it gives you the sense of बहुत सारे लड़के. Again I have to show the position of this word. So I have seen that this word ends with s. So any word that ends with s, we simply give apostrophe. So this is boys, बहुत सारे लड़कों का. The next example is, if I say girl, this is a singular, this is a girl, it doesn't end with s. So मुझे अगर कहना है एक लड़की का, so this word doesn't have s in the end, we go for girls. Suppose I have to say बहुत सारी लड़कियों का, then firstly I have to write the English word for बहुत सारी लड़कियां. I have to write girls. This gives the sense of बहुत सारी लड़कियां, but I have to show its position, so I saw that it ends with s, so we go for only apostrophe. If I have to say एक आदमी का, man, again it doesn't end with s, so we simply give man's. एक आदमी का. If I have to say बहुत सारे आदमियों का, then firstly we have to write the word for बहुत सारे आदमी. The plural form of man is men. Again it doesn't end with s, so we give apostrophe s. So simply we can say if a noun ends with s and it requires position, we simply give apostrophe, s apostrophe, sorry. And if a noun doesn't end with s and if it requires position, we give apostrophe s. So this is the basic difference between apostrophe s and s apostrophe. Now we see the use of apostrophe s and s apostrophe. It is very easy. Use of apostrophe s and s apostrophe. It's a very easy. We can say it is used with a living thing. Whenever we use apostrophe s or s apostrophe, it can be used with living thing. For example, Ram's cap. See, we have used this apostrophe s with Ram, and as we know, Ram is a living thing, so it is perfectly fine. If I have to say cow's milk, we know cow is a living thing, so we have used apostrophe s with the cow. It's perfectly fine, no problem. But it is not used with a non-living thing. We are not allowed to use apostrophe s or s apostrophe with a non-living thing. For example, chair's leg. This question has been asked many times in your examination. See, I have used apostrophe s with chair, and we know chair is a non-living thing, so it's totally wrong. Suppose it is asked in a common error, we have just found out error. If you are told to improve the sentence, you have just to find out the error in this sentence. You have to improve the sentence. Then we go for off pattern, because it is used with both living and non-living thing. So the correct answer should be leg of chair. It is the correct one. Again, the question was asked building's roof. Again, it is wrong, because we have used apostrophe s with non-living thing. So the correct form will be roof of building. So guys, this is all about, you can say, noun case, the use of off pattern, use of apostrophe s and use of s apostrophe. I request you all to memorize all these things and revise it again and again, and I hope you have understood each and everything whatever I have just taught you. So keep learning, keep smiling. Thank you. Thanks a lot.